Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the pot. Make sure the rubber gasket and safety valve are clean and intact. Next, fill the lower chamber with water to the safety valve. Do not overfill, because steam pressure needs headspace to build. Once done, use hot water from the kettle if available. This shortens brew time and reduces prolonged metal contact, which helps flavor. Make sure the threads are dry so the upper chamber seals properly when you screw it on. You now grind to a medium-fine consistency and fill the filter basket. Level the grounds with your finger but do not tamp, because tamping restricts flow. Once the basket is seated, wipe the top rim to remove stray grounds so the seal is airtight. Then screw the upper chamber on until finger-tight, no tools, so the gasket compresses evenly. Place the pot on medium-low heat. This slow rise in temperature extracts oils steadily and prevents bitter over-extraction. You watch and listen. A steady, even gurgle signals extraction. When the flow shifts to sputtering and steam, remove from heat to avoid burning the coffee. Once off heat, wait a few seconds, then pour. Cooling slightly preserves crema. Make sure to run under warm water and let the unit cool before unscrewing to protect the gasket. If the coffee tastes bitter, lower heat or use a coarser grind. If weak, try a finer grind or slightly less.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.